Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox this amazing looking RC toy or RC car. This is Porsche 911 Carrera S. Now this is of course remote control, and it is 1/12 scale. It's made by Rastar, if that's how you pronounce it. Now this is 6 plus, and it also has full functioning control. Now let's try to open this box, and yeah. Yes, now we have opened the box. As you guys can see, here's the box, and here's the car. Now let's try to look at it. If you see, it's really nice with black and white combination. So like this color is white and interior and wheels are black. They really match very nicely. Now let's try to look at the back, and it looks so good. Yeah, the interior is fairly simple and nice as well. Alright, here is the remote for this car. Now if you look at the remote, it's actually really cool. It looks like a steering wheel of a race car or something like that. It's very simple as well. So go or forward, reverse, left and right here. It's also got the Porsche logo kind of deal, and it also got a little bit of carbon feel to it, like right there. Yeah, it's actually really cool. And also got Rastar, or the maker of this radio control car, this logo right here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna unbox this or unpack this. Here we go. There. Woohoo! Now we have successfully unboxed this beast, Porsche 911 Carrera S convertible. Yeah. So this is really cool looking. Really, like this is. Oh yeah, it looks good. Now let's go ahead and jump right in to the first look and first review of this car. Looking at the front, it looks great. Now, I'm pretty sure this light is gonna light up or turn on when I, yeah, and here's the. Yeah, it's very detailed as well. I got the shock, the suspension kind of thing here, and yeah, it looks so good. Now let's look at the wheels. It's pretty simple. It's black and it's really nice. It's also got the colored Porsche logo, and the back wheel as well, pretty similar, almost the same. But the thing is, the rear tire and front tires lid is actually different. Now let's look at the back and look at it. Oh, this looks just so good. If you look at the taillights, wait a second, no way, this is actually 2017 model. Because if you look, this is like redesigned, this part right here. Oh, this looks like the 2017 model. That's cool. That's really cool. And if you look at it, it just looks so good. Looking at the exhaust tips, it's nice. 911 Carrera S badge. The rear thing. And interior, it's nice. It's not too bad. It's not like crazy cool or anything, but still got basic stuff in it, like the gear, the room mirror that actually, yeah, and the steering wheel looks fine. Yeah, I like it. Oh, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It's all nice. Yeah. So I definitely recommend this. Yeah, I definitely recommend this. Yeah, it looks good. It feels good. It has great stuff in it too. Yeah. Here's the steering wheel or the controller. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like. Now, do you like this car? Well, I personally love this car. It looks good. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks, guys, and goodbye.